Welcome to the Players First tutorial on how to export your comments, volunteers or sponsors lists from your results dashboard. This tutorial will cover the following features: navigating to the list workspace, downloading a comments list, a volunteer list, or the sponsors list. This is important to action within 6 months of your survey concluding, and this is due to GDPR. After 6 months, the contact information within these lists will be deleted. Once you are logged into your account, click the navigation button. Then select the survey you wish to access the list for under Survey Dashboards options. In this example, we'll use the member survey. If there are no results appearing in the results view, you may need to use the date range picker in the top right corner to select a more appropriate date range for your results. In this example, I will use the last 3 years. In the top right-hand corner of the dashboard, select the clipboard icon, which says Go to Lists. The default list is the comments. However, if you have the volunteer or the sponsor question turned on in the survey, you can access these lists by selecting it from the drop-down. To export any of these 3 lists, select the Export to Excel icon in the right-hand side. This will start an automated download into your Downloads folder. It may be useful to search for key search terms, for example, Clubhouse. The results will display any comments that include the search term Clubhouse. To refresh this, hit Reset and all of your comments will appear again. You can also use the filters to select by question, MPS type, or search for anyone that's left a phone number, name, or contact email to follow up on their comments with. To go back to the results view, just select the graph icon, and this will display the results that you saw initially. We hope this tutorial has been helpful.